Here we have a fabulous 2-bedroom condo in Laval. Absolute open concept, a living room, dining room, and kitchen. The living room has a gas fireplace, and it includes a study off the kitchen. 2 bedrooms. Primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and an additional closet, as it was a 3-bedroom condo converted to 2. The primary bedroom is extremely large with access to the bathroom, an ensuite bathroom, similar. There's a door that leads to the bathroom from the master bedroom and also the main door to the hallway. Close proximity, you have the university as well as high schools and elementary schools. Beautiful, lots of parking. 1 space specific to the owner and 2 visitors parking as well. Great spot. Come see it, don't miss it.